So far with our trigonometry, we have dealt with our three basic trig functions separately. Today we're going to talk about being able to differentiate and choose between sine, cosine, and tangent. A common mnemonic that people use to help themselves remember is Sohcahtoa. Sohcahtoa, you need to know how to spell it. Sohcahtoa. And it helps you remember which trig function you should use. So that first three-letter word, so, we use to remember that sine of an angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. The second three-letter word, ca, helps us remember that cosine of an angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And the third three-letter word is toa, and that helps us remember that tangent of an angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. So if you take a look at the right triangle below, triangle ABC, the sides opposite each vertex are labeled with lowercase letters. Opposite angle B is side B, opposite angle C is side C, and opposite angle A is side A. So if we want to find the sine of angle A, we use our rule that sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Well, opposite angle A is side A, and opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So we'd have sine A equals lowercase a over lowercase b. If we wanted to find the cosine of A, well, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine is equal to c over b, where c is the side that's next to angle A and b is the hypotenuse. And for the tangent of A, tangent's equal to opposite over adjacent. Well, opposite angle A is that lowercase a. The adjacent side is the leg of the right triangle that's right next to the angle that we're using. So that would be the c. If we were to go through the exact same three functions with angle C, the sine of angle C is equal to C over B, because if you notice in blue ink there, opposite angle C is C and B is still the hypotenuse. If we do the cosine of C, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent to angle C is leg A and the hypotenuse is still B. The tangent of C is equal to C over A. Opposite C is C, and next to C is A. In today's problems, you're going to be solving problems involving sine, cosine, and tangent, but you're going to have to determine which it is that you're using. So good luck on today's worksheet.